Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily change the date and time on your iPhone 17. Firstly, enter the settings. Now you have to scroll down till you see the general, and now scroll down to the date and time. Not here, date and time. Disable set automatically, and now to set the date and time, tap on this and select your date manually. As you can see, it works. Wait a moment, I will set something in the day, for example like this, and now we have this date exact. But we can tap set automatically to set our date automatically. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.